our beans. Inside our beans. This. Yes, guys, this is all the ingredients that will be going inside the beans. I didn't fry anything, everything is boiled. So now we go to put them inside the beans. Guys, this is our spice for the beans. Every spices, dry fish, crayfish, oil, ginger, garlic. So this is our beans itself. The spice inside the beans. Yes, this is our delicious beans is ready. The rice is ready. The rice is ready, guys. It's ready, very hot. The rice is ready. As you can see, the rice is ready. This rice and beans. Let's boil it. So now, this is the process. The beans is ready, almost ready. We need now to boil and mix together. Then we taste the Maggi, the salt, everything. We have tomatoes, everything. I'll be posting the video. Help me to share, guys. This is Baby Girl Kitchen cooking beans, as you can see. So while we'll be doing that, we have our black pepper to put. It's good to put black pepper inside your beans. You want to go? This is our black pepper. Real black pepper. Taste it. We add Maggi, salt. Salt, Maggi. We will grind our white and black pepper. Yes, I almost forgot. So I have to just grind it here. No need of using it. White and black pepper, don't wait. See our beans. It's Maggi. Black and white pepper. Try, come and eat beans. Dry fish, crayfish, tomato. I love my beans like this. I put a bit of water because I want to eat with rice. I don't want dry beans. I didn't fry anything here. As you can see, I didn't fry because I have gastric. Somebody who is having gastric, he shouldn't be eating fried things. It burns the heart. That's why you see me washing the beans in the beginning, cooking. Everything is boil, steaming. So everything is ready now. Then taste the Maggi. This is red oil. Red oil beans. Hi! When was the last time you eat red oil beans? It's entering the body, they enter the eye. This is ready. Ogbonge quinta. This one you not be stew oh, now beans. It's beans. Delicious beans. Guys, this is how I love it. I want chop of rice so that I go get enter body. You don't ready. You like, you don't like, I don't ready. Delicious beans. Sweet bean.